Good morning, Sir Leo Arcaios. This is my explanation. Admiral Notice to Mariners. An Admiral to Mariners is a publication issued by maritime authorities to inform mariners about important change or update to navigational charts, publication or other relevant information, effective save navigation. This notice provide essential update on hazard, navigational and change in maritime, regular to ensure the safety of vessel at sail. The weekly edition 20 in Admiral Notice to Mariners refers to 20 edition of the date of May 16, 2024 refers to the specific date on which the notice was issued. It indicates the time on which the important and updates contained in the notice were made available to mariners. The date is important as it helps mariners to trade the current sea and relevance of the information provided in the notice. By referencing the date, mariners can ensure that they are using the most up-to-date and accurate navigational information for their voyages. When admiral charts are affected by the publication list, it means updates have been made to related documents or timetables. This keeps sailors informed when the latest info for safe navigation at sea. An admiral chart is a map for safe, giving detailed info about water depth, coastlines, and hazards. Sailors use these charts to plan routes, stay safe, and navigation through waterways. In Admiral Notice to Mariners, the Notice 2024 typically refers to the number each admiral chart is assigned a unique number for identification and reference purpose. The number in the notation represents the specific chart that is being referred to in the notice. Purpose of Admiral Chart 410 titled West Indies, Cuba, Northwest Coast, Bahia del Mariel and Roches is to provide navigational information for mariners navigation the Bahia del Mariel area and its approach along the northwest coast of Cuba. The purpose of Admiral Chart 226 is to provide navigational information specifically for the Baltic Sea area encompass Latvia and Estonia. Admiral charts and publication to be published. This section like indicate schedule or plan for upcoming release of navigational charts and decided publication by the Admiral. And Admiral charts to be published in May 30, 2024. This specifies a date of May 30, 2024 for the release of new edition of Admiral Charts. New edition of Admiral Charts, the subject section. And that's my all explanation about the Admiralty Notice to Mariners. By the way, my name is Vicente Roluna Jr. from G2U.